didn't think we were gonna get them. So come with us tomorrow because it's gonna be interesting. Hi guys, good morning and welcome to the channel. Today we start our day super early. It is not even 6 o'clock and we are walking through the back streets of southern Rome because we gotta get to Easter Mass. This video is not going to be out on Easter, but happy Easter! So we are walking towards the train station. It's cold at this time and we are going to go get in line and try to get a chair near the front at the Vatican. So come with us.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. It's so cold.
I haven't had coffee yet.
Neither have I. We've made it to the train station. We had to take 2 metros.
Pretty empty.
It is incredibly empty. I've never seen the metro this empty.
Like a zombie apocalypse.
Yeah. It is a ghost town here. It's a bit unnerving. Yeah. Guys, we are now in the city center of Rome. It's about 6:45 a.m. The streets of Rome are barely waking up. Let's just hope I don't have to use the restroom.
There's nothing open.
There's nothing open.
Kind of see the line.
Come see a line, people.
Too bad.
It's not too bad. It is 7:25. We have been in line for about 30 minutes and they should be opening the doors here anytime soon. The line keeps getting longer. So guys, the time is getting closer. It's 8:39 right now. So we have a little bit over an hour to go. So that's really exciting. We're going to be here listening to the Pope celebrate the resurrection. And that's going to be really super amazing. I can't wait. Definitely the opportunity of a lifetime. So.
Felicisti apostolis tuis, pacem relinquo vobis, pacem meam do vobis. Never.
May the Father of all, who inspires thoughts of justice and peace, grant that leaders of nations always seek the common good, dialogue and harmony among peoples.
Questa celebrazione dell'Eucaristia ci renda degni di partecipare alla mensa del suo regno nei secoli dei secoli.
it's over. It has been an amazing heartfelt experience. What did you think?
Really liked it.
Yeah, it was very nice. And then it's on that note that we're gonna say thank you so much for watching and for coming along with us on such a unique experience. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye. So guys, we got our water bottle confiscated this morning, and then we were like, that's so sad. And the entire time we were sitting down, we're like, man, that kind of sucked, you know, like, I guess.
I said, you know what, I gave homage to walk going to the Vatican this morning.
Yes, we were like, well, you know, and then coming out, we realized that they put all the bottles just out there, just chilling out there for you to like pick it out. Let me give you guys a shot of the water bottles. So people are looking for the water bottles.
Like today wasn't like, I didn't say it was, it didn't start off as a good day, woke up at 5:30 in the morning. That's no big deal. But I got my water bottle confiscated, and as soon as I sat down inside for mass, waiting for 2 hours, I noticed that somebody slashed my bag. But I mean, that's what it's for, right? It's a bag.
It's a slash proof.
So I was like, man, can anything else happen today? So.
And I think the slash happened last night on the metro.
I didn't have this last night.
Oh, or last time you had it on the metro, because everything was empty today.
Yeah.
So we just noticed that it was slashed.
But it's slash proof, so.
But it's slash proof, so his bag is
I'll
gonna
be sending a review to the company.
travel on.
And be like, thank you.
Thank
It
you
worked.
for a reliable product.
Yes. But next on our list, lunch.
Lunch. So that's it. That's the outtakes for the day. Thanks. But that's it, guys. Oh, she's crying too, just like I was.